Had a little run-in with Jake. Got the door crushed in, little dent on the fender. Frame rail took a little bit of a bite. Rear quarter's good though, can't argue with that. And here's Jake's car. This is the culprit. His radiator leaked out. Core support got a little dented up. Looks like the fender got a little damage there, and the hood got bent. Bash bar is bent in. Right here, that should be straight out. But all in all, relatively minor. Relatively minor. Justin. That Formula D fix, you know? We got the door open. A little dent. No, little one's not cutting it. That PDR.
Look at that.
Hey, we're getting there.
I mean, you can't do anything about that. That's about as flat as it's gonna get.
If the door shuts, it shuts. All right, next step, take this battered piece of shit off and modify that one. Justin and his artistic ability is eyeing up the cut for the door so that we can cut it out.
On point.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect, as they say.
And even more cool shit is I'm gonna have an inside door latch. Look at this. I can mount that up high here. Titties. I'm gonna be able to get out of my car faster now.
Whoa, which means more drifting.
You got a mosquito flying around?
Very hairy.
Where's the mosquito?
It's not near my legs.
Where's the mosquito? We'll fucking burn its little wings off.
Oh, now. It's in my arm hair. Don't touch
Here.
it. No, it's fine.
It's not fine. Kill it.
He's right there. I'm gonna set everything on fire if I do that.
Where?
It's in this area.
I don't believe you. It's not an exact science, you know.
It is an exact science. Gotta come across here. Do what you want through here. I'm gonna go with like a half squiggly to a straight. Like Bob Ross. Then
You look like Bob Ross. Try to cut as much of that butyl tape out as I can.
Yeah. All right, we are. I mean, I used a ruler and everything. We're ready. The butyl tape would break clean, and then trying to like get it up that way to break it up. And Tommy was trying to get a mosquito, I think, with the torch, and actually I lit the door on fire.
No, I did this on purpose. Yep. Justin, the professional pinstripe remover.
Slow and steady.
Got that silver door hung. Yeah, boy. We're gonna wrap it with scraps. Won't even be able to tell because the rest of the car already looks shitty.
Scrap wrap.
Scrap wrap, you know what I'm saying? Free $99. Included. Got a couple of dents in this door. Here. Little guy here.
Yeah, but so did your old door.
Yeah. I got a little dent here. Thank you, Jake. I'll throw just a little piece of vinyl over that. And I'm missing part of my kinetic sticker. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm sure if you ask, they'll give you another one.
I'm sure they would. But yeah, we'll get there. We're gonna peel the rest of this pinstripe off so it doesn't show up under the vinyl, and then rappity tappity, you know, riggedy wrap, and then we'll take a picture. We'll put it on the gram. Miata Power, you know, and then thanks fucking Bavarian Genius.
Damn it!
He doesn't use his Instagram ever.
What is Insta?
Bro, you're basically 30. You don't even use Instagram.
That's because I'm basically 30.
You should start a Twitter account, Justin. You're up there with those oldies.
I want to be off the grid.
Off the grid?
Except for Facebook.
Okay, we'll be back shortly. So this is a newer NB style door, and it's got this like remote latch setup deal, and I'm just gonna weld it right to this so that I can get out of this car quicker, even when the window's in. Yay, rain drifting. Staying dry, bro. I've never been able to do that before. Probably still won't do it, though. Justin set up the welder. What do you put me on, 4? Perfect. Look at you. You know how to fucking MIG weld now, don't you?
Forgot I'm wearing shorts.
I caught one on my back. Two tacks coming on up.
Wire speed okay?
Everything's good.
Ow, shit! Looking directly at welds is awesome.
Just look at it through the lens. That's fucking
Yeah.
tits, bro.
Look at that.
Loving it. It's like McDonald's.
Ooh, yeah.
Look, I can lock it too. Try to open it from the outside.
Okay.
No dice.
Dude, you have a lock and drift car. First in the world?
No. Where that grinder at? Porosity, goodbye. Little nibbin.
Good enough for government work.
Fucking A, tits, bro, you know what I'm saying?
Yep. Effing A boobs.
Tits. Tits.
Alright, last thing is a new logo on the car, right? But we do not have one.
But we do have one.
We have one? Oh, Frank saw one.
Yeah, fuck
But-
Frank. My logo now. Piecing this bitch together. Getting there. Getting there. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Justin does a jiggy. So,
Pour my beer, Ken.
pour my beer, Ken. Pour my beer, Ken. This message brought to you by your Ken that pours your beer, remember. So anyways, we're not going to put the Piston Slap logo on there tonight because we're feeling lazy and the ladies are ladies. But
Wow.
it's almost like it didn't happen.
Yeah.
Holy queso.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And a moose. What's happening, moose? All right. Yep.
Until tomorrow, probably.
Yeah, probably. Or
Dun, 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 dun.
I might have it done by the time you get home from work.
The funny part about all this is that the next event, you're gonna have to do it again.
Nah, I don't think so.
Oh, Jack. It's gonna happen.
How do you feel about Jake is the one that...
Jake spun and you hit him. It's not like he doored you.
It's true.
Don't worry. Don't you worry.
You look like
about
Abe
shit.
Lincoln with that beard being underlit like that.
Good.
It gives you that long face.
I never told a lie. And
Did
I
you-
chopped down a cherry tree.
That's George Washington. Did you free slaves, bro?
Yes, did. You're welcome.
You look crazy as fuck. For real.
The lighting.
The lighting from underneath.
And
It's
my
like
toothless
axe
ass.
murdering Justin Bum. And he's got his fucking Trump t-shirt on. Pretty much done. Got the logo on there. Check it out. Got the glass set up so that it sets in there properly with my brackets. And something I'm really proud of, we were talking about it last night, is the door handle. Never had one of these before. Usually it was like that other door. You can't really get out unless you open it from the outside reaching through the window.